Hello, welcome to Astronaut Shipping Manager quick demo. In this demo, we will learn how to create a shipment records. You can create a shipment records from any objects detail page, or you can create a shipment record from Shipping Manager tab. To create a shipment record from a detail page, we navigate to a detail page and navigate to a related list section. There you will see all the previous shipments for this particular records, and you create on a new button that will navigate you to a shipping manager where all the information is auto filled. The information of recipient is coming from the records where I clicked on a new button. So in this case, from the Grand Hotel and Resorts account, the recipient information is auto-filled and sender information is auto-filled from my default shipping preferences. You can have a multiple shipping preferences, and they all will be listed under this pick list, and you can change during creation of shipment. And the other way is from creating a shipment from shipping manager. When you create a shipment from shipping manager, sender information is auto-filled from the default shipping preferences, and you can of course change shipping preferences here as well. It's a same form, it's just that in this scenario recipient information is not auto-populated, so you need to search. You can search any object, custom or standard object. In this case I'm searching account. You will see all the suggestions that are matching with your search term, and then you select the one. When you select the one, all the address information is auto populated. And the label specifications, the default they are in collapse mode, because most of the time you are not changing them. They are coming from the default preferences records and the preferences record which you have selected as a first step. But if I want for that particular shipment, I can of course change the additional information. I can provide the reference information, email notifications, special services, and the default weight unit or linear units. And then I provide the shipment packages information. For this demo, I'm shipping a 1 lb, and let's say one more package of 2 lb, and click calculate. That will give me all the rates from the FedEx. Then I pick up the one which works for me. So FedEx ground sounds good to me based on the rates and the expected delivery date, and I click on a generate level. That will send the information to a FedEx and will create a shipment record and the labels. All the shipment record is created in Salesforce, and the labels for my two packages are generated. They are available under the file section. All you need to do is download this and print it, both shipments with both labels. Thank you.